Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of MPN Academy. We are bringing you Bihar current affairs. Friends, in this video we will discuss 30 most important multiple choice questions associated with March month of Bihar current affairs with full description in English. So let's begin. Friends, join our Telegram page of MPN Academy. Just search MPN Academy on Telegram and you will see this logo. What you will get there? You will get BPSC exam news or notification updates. You will also get topper results of the test series released on the app portal, information about MPN Academy courses and YouTube video updates. So please join this public channel of MPN Academy on Telegram. The first question is, which district of Bihar has received the National Water Award for the best district in the Eastern Zone category? The right answer is option number C. East Champaran. 535 water structures in the districts were made encroachment free. DM started its beautification and conservation by removing the encroachment from Moti Jheel. The work of setting up the Geneva Jet Foundation at Moti Jheel is in the final stage. A total of more than 1500 works of rejuvenation of water bodies were done in the district. Rainwater harvesting has been done in 290 government buildings. Telari, located in which district of Bihar, has been awarded the National Water Award in the category of Best Panchayat. The right answer is option number A. Gaya. The level of groundwater was enriched by collecting rainwater on 95 acres of mountain in the hilly and dry area Telari, located in Bathani block of Gaya. Water was conserved through drainage table, water structure tank, reuse water tank, rooftop, water harvesting, pond digging, plantation, check dam, etc. Due to this, the groundwater level increased by about 22 feet. In which city of Bihar was the half marathon organized for liquor-free Bihar? The right answer is option number B. Patna. The event started from Gandhi Maidan, gate number 7 on 27th March and ended at the same Maidan on gate number 8. Actor Milind Soman and Tamil Nadu Health Minister M. Subramaniam attended the Patna Half Marathon. This event has been organized on behalf of NCC Directorate, Bihar Jharkhand on Golden Victory Day and Amrit Mahotsav of Independence. Races were organized in 3 categories: Vijay Run, Freedom Run and Utsav Run. According to the recently released Bulletin by Sample Registration Survey SRS, what was the maternal mortality rate in Bihar in 2017-19? The right answer is option number C. 130. A special bulletin has been issued on maternal deaths in India for 2017-19 under the sample registration system. The maternal mortality rate in Bihar was 130 in 2017-19 and 149 in 2016-18. So there was a decrease of 19 points. In percentage term, it is 12.8%. This prevented the possible deaths of about 1500 mothers in these 3 years. The Water Resource Department has developed a new system by which name for better management of data related to embankments and rivers in the state. The right answer is option number B. BIMS. The full form of BIMS is Bihar Embankment Asset Management System. This has been developed by Patna's Flood Management Reform Assistance Center. In this, data related to the quality of rivers and the condition of embankments, information about the assets of department, facts related to the changing behavior of rivers, monitoring of flood protection plans, material available in various stores and information related to tendering of schemes will be available simultaneously. 17.5 months of quality current affairs required for 67th BPSC and CDPO prelims exam can be revised entirely in 26.5 hours. How? First of all, you have to study 17.5 months of current affairs. The reason is in 66th BPSC prelims exam, questions were asked till October 2020. So for this exam, you need to study current affairs from 1st November 2020 up to 15th April 2022. As you know that both the exams will be held in the month of May this year. How can you revise the entire current affairs in just 26.5 hours? The first content is weekly current affair test series in MCQs format of national and international version. There will be 78 PDFs, 4 PDFs for every month, 2 years of economic survey, 2 years of budget, Olympic, Paralympic, India State of Forest Report and census. One PDF will require 6 minutes of your time. You will be able to revise this weekly current affairs test series. Second type of content is monthly current affairs short notes, national and international version. There will be 18 PDFs, one PDF for every month. One PDF will require 30 minutes of your time. So in 9 hours of time, you will be able to finish this content. The third one is Bihar monthly current affairs, MCQs as well as short notes. There will be 23 PDFs, one PDF for every month, and then 2 years of economic survey, 2 years of budget and census 2011. One PDF will require 25 minutes of your time. So in about 9.5 hours, you will be able to revise this Bihar monthly current affairs short notes. So in total 26.5 hours of time, you will be able to revise this entire current affairs. What is the importance of these PDFs? 19 questions have tallied from weekly current affairs in 66th BPSC prelims. 7 questions tallied from monthly current affairs short notes and 10 questions tallied from Bihar monthly current affairs. Overall 36 questions tallied in 66th BPSC from MPN Academy PDFs. In terms of percentage, it is more than 85%. In 2021, as you know that no exam was held of BPSC. The second most exam which was held was Bihar SI prelims exam. 86% questions tallied from MPN Academy PDFs. So this is a reliable and authentic source of current affairs with proven records. Friends, how will you get these quality PDFs from November 2020 onwards? Please download the MPN Academy app from the Google Play Store. You will see 4 section. You have to go to store section in the bottom and you have to select the course 67th BPSC CDPO current affairs PDF course. This content is made available at a very reasonable price which can be afforded easily by everyone. Payment link is given. Just pay there and you will be enrolled in the course. The contents are provided there very systematically. Friends, please keep it in mind that MCQs will be bilingual in Hindi and English language, but the explanation and short notes will be in Hindi. From January onwards, the content is fully in English. Bihar's first expressway is being built between which of the following districts? The right answer is option number C, Darbhanga to Aurangabad. Work is going on the Amas Darbhanga Expressway under the Bharatmala project. The Union Ministry of Road and Highways has recently approved 2 packages of this expressway. This expressway is being built from Aurangabad to Jayanagar in Darbhanga district. This will be 4-lane. GT road will also be provided connectivity to this road passing through Gaya airport. So 3 airports will be connected: Gaya, Patna and Darbhanga. Pramod Bhagat, resident of Vaishali, Bihar, won how many gold medals in the recently held Spanish Para Badminton International 2 Tournament 2022 in Vitoria, Spain? The right answer is option number C, 3 gold medals. In singles, number 1 Bhagat defeated Kumar Nitesh. In men's double, Bhagat and Manoj Sarkar beat India's Kadam and Nitesh. And in mixed doubles, Bhagat and Palak duo won the gold medal. India won a total of 34 medals. These include 11 gold medals, 7 silver medals and 16 bronze medals. Which engineering institute based in Bihar has developed suitcase inverter for the first time in the country? The right answer is option number A, IIT Patna. IIT Patna has gifted the country with a battery management system that works even in minus 19 degree Celsius temperature and a lithium battery operated suitcase inverter. The inverter, developed first of its kind in the country, will also be available for sale to the public from April month. The suitcase inverter, weighing only 6 to 15 kg, was launched by R.K. Singh, Power and Renewable Minister. This inverter will not emit dangerous fumes compared to normal batteries. At the same time, there will be no need to put water in its battery. In which district electric powered Rajendra Okhli has been invented amidst increasing demand for nutritious cereals? The right answer is option number D. Bhojpur. Under the direction of Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Central Agricultural University, Pusa, Samastipur, Vinod Engineering, located at Raja Bazar, Bhojpur's Bihia, has prepared it. Its price has been fixed at 65,000 rupees. Dr. Subhash Chandra has designed it and Vinod Engineering has built it. The benefit of this will be available to the youth, including small farmers who do livelihood and packaging and marketing of nutritious grains. In this, the breakdown of cereals is reduced and the nutrition of the grain is also maintained. According to the recent report released by the Center for Science and Environment CSE, which district of Bihar stood first in India in terms of pollution between 15 October 2021 to 28 February 2022. The right answer is option number C, Siwan. In this winter, the highest pollution across the country has been recorded in Siwan district of Bihar. Average level of pollution here was 187. How bad is the situation of air pollution in Bihar? It can be gauged from the fact that 6 of the top 10 cities with the most pollution are from Bihar, whereas 4 cities belong to the cities of National Capital Region, Delhi. Siwan and Munger are at number 1 and number 2, whereas Ghaziabad is in 3rd and Delhi is in 5th place. Friends, if you want to know how is your preparation of current affairs for 67th BPSC prelims exam and Bihar CDPO prelims exam, then this course is ideal for you. Golden Current Affair Test Series. What you will get in this? There will be 25 questions. One question will consist 50 MCQs. So overall you will get 1250 cream questions selected from 17 months required for 67th BPSC prelims exam from November 2020 to March 2022. Questions are selected from Bihar national and international current affairs. You will get 40 minutes of time to solve one question paper of 50 MCQs. How can you get this course? Go to the Google Play Store, download the MPN Academy app, and on the store section, the course is mentioned Golden Current Affairs Test Series. Free demo test is made available on the app portal. You can try and check for yourself whether your preparation of current affairs is solid or not. At the end of every test, you will get the result. Loktantrik Janata Dal LJD has recently merged with which party? The right answer is option number B, Rashtriya Janata Dal RJD. Senior socialist leader Sharad Yadav has merged his party Loktantrik Janata Dal with RJD. Sharad Yadav had split from Janata Dal United and formed his party LJD in 2018. But finally he has decided to join RJD. All 3 MLAs of Vikashshil Insan Party VIP joined the BJP, whose name is not included in this. The right answer is option number D, Musafir Paswan. In the 2020 assembly elections, 4 VIP candidates included in the NDA were victorious. Among them, Mishri Lal Yadav, one from Alinagar, Swarn Singh, one from Goraboram, Raju Singh, one from Sahebganj, and Musafir Paswan, one from Bochha. After the death of Musafir Paswan, there is a by-election in Bochha on 12th April. So these 3 MLAs have joined the BJP, and now the VIP party has no MLAs left in his cadre. So VIP chief Mukesh Sahni also lost his ministry. How much target has been fixed for procurement of wheat in Bihar in the financial year 22-23? The right answer is option number A, 1 million tons. The state is expected to produce 6.5 million tons of wheat. After setting a new record in paddy procurement this year, the state government has also set a big target for wheat procurement. The government procurement campaign of wheat will run from 20 April to 30th June this year. For this, the support price has been fixed at 2015 rupees per quintal. Which is the biggest exporting district of Bihar state? The right answer is option number B, Begusarai. Due to the refinery in Begusarai district at Barauni, the graph of its exports has remained high for many years. Between April 2021 to January 2022, it has exported a total of 6,821 crore rupees worth of material. Araria district has been ranked second in the state. Shivhar district of Tirhut division is the worst performing district in exports. Items exported from different districts of Bihar include petroleum from Begusarai, rice from East Champaran, rice and lychee from Muzaffarpur, bones and frozen meat from Araria, mixed grains from Patna, wheat and lemon from Gopalganj, seal of machinery from Jamui, etc. What is the rank of Bihar in terms of exports in the list of all states between April 2021 to January 2022? The right answer is option number C. 22nd, Bihar has exported a total of 13,892 crore rupees worth of material during this period, in which leather, fruits, grains and chilies are also prominent. According to the figures released by Ministry of Commerce in the list of all states of the country, Bihar recorded 0.52% of the exports in the last financial year. Gujarat tops the country in this list with 29.74% of the country's total exports. Maharashtra is on the second number, Tamil Nadu ranks third, and Uttar Pradesh got the fourth position. Which player from Bihar won the gold medal in the junior national weightlifting competition, setting a national record? The right answer is option number A. Bhola Singh. Bhola has set a record in snatch, clean and jerk and total weight in this competition being held in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Bhola Singh, associated with Sitamarhi's Eklavya Center, is originally a resident of Jahanabad district. Bhola Singh lifted a weight of 126 kg in snatch while also creating a record in clean and jerk by lifting 150 kg. So he lifted a total weight of 276 kg. Thus, he created a national record. Bhola has broken the record of Akash Kaushal of Madhya Pradesh. Which person from Bihar has been made the COVID-19 response coordinator of US President Joe Biden? The right answer is option number B. Dr. Ashish Jha. USA, apprehensive of the new era of COVID pandemic, has entrusted the responsibility of leading the strategy to deal with it to Bihar-born Dr. Ashish Jha. Dr. Ashish was born in 1970 in Madhubani. He has been living in the US since 1983. He is currently the Dean of Brown University's School of Public Health. Under PM Awas Yojana in the financial year 22-23, Bihar has been given the maximum quota of how many lakh houses in the country? The right answer is option number C. 11.49 lakh houses. For this, the central government will give 13,800 crore rupees. Bihar Rural Development Minister Shravan Singh gave this information to the House while presenting the budget for 22-23 of the Rural Development Department in the Legislative Council. The government is also giving 50,000 rupees for the repair of houses built before March 31st, 2010. Apart from this, the Bihar government is also providing 1.2 lakh rupees to those who took the benefit of the housing scheme before January 1st, 1996. Referring to both the schemes, he has said that Bihar is the only state in the country to do so. So Bihar has been given the maximum number of quota. Geological Survey of India has found huge deposits of coal under about 261 acres of land in Madhorampur, located in which district? The right answer is option number D. Bhagalpur. In the survey, the coal found in the excavation of 350 feet below the ground in Madhorampur village located in Kahalgaon block has been sent to Dhanbad for quality check. This area will be declared as coal block after the quality of coal is ascertained at the Central Mine Planning and Design Institute Limited located in Dhanbad. About how many liters of Nira production has been targeted in the state in the financial year 22-23? The right answer is option number C. 46 lakh liters. Rural Development Minister Shravan Kumar said that a target of 46 lakh 41,000 liters of Nira production has been set in the year 22-23 in Bihar. During this period, 12,893 Nira growers will be involved in these activities. The families which were involved in tari business before the imposition of prohibition are being linked to the Nira business. Those making Nira in lieu of tari will also be given a grant from the Chief Minister's Relief Fund. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, who reached Madhepura under the social reform campaign, made this announcement. How much rupees will the state government spend in the financial year 22-23 on schemes and programs related to the development of women and children? The right answer is option number D. 80,000 crore rupees. Deputy Chief Minister cum Finance Minister Tara Kishore Prasad laid a copy of the Gender, Child Welfare, Green and Consequences budget on the floor of the House in the Vidhan Sabha. 36,000 crore rupees will be spent on women, which will be 15% of the total budget, and 44,000 crore rupees will be spent on the development of children. So if you include both, the figure will come 80,000 crore rupees. What was the number of domestic tourists visiting Bihar in 2021? The right answer is option number A. Just 2.5 lakh. The number of tourists coming to Bihar has decreased due to second wave of COVID-19 in 2021. In 2020, 56.4 lakh domestic tourists arrived in Bihar, while in 2019 the figure was humongous, 340 lakh. If we talk of the foreign tourists visiting Bihar, the figure was 3 lakh in 2020. Remember a question asked in BPSC, the tagline of Bihar tourism, it is blissful Bihar. According to the Economic Survey 2021-22, what is the telephone connection per 100 people in Bihar? The right answer is option number B, 53.69. Bihar's position in telecom density is not good. The national average is 86.89. Delhi has the highest telecom density of 270. After this, Himachal Pradesh is at second place and Kerala at third place. Annual growth rate of railways is stagnant at 5% over a decade. The share of Bihar's rail network in the country is 5.6%. In 15 years, only 416 kilometers of rail network increased in Bihar. In this, Bihar is ranked 9th in the country. What is the total network of urban and rural roads in Bihar in the year 2021? The right answer is option number C, 1,27,193 kilometers. The road network in Bihar has expanded by 8%. The state had 1,17,877 kilometers road in 2020, including the network of urban and rural roads. Despite the Corona period in the year 2021, the network of urban and rural roads in Bihar has increased by over 10,000 kilometers approx. You can see the figure, it has increased by 10,000 kilometers. In the year 2020, the rural road network in the state was 93,760 kilometers, which has gone up to 1,02,810 kilometers in the year 2021. In comparison to 2005, more than 8 times the road network has been laid in the state. What is the total length of national highways in Bihar in the year 2021? The right answer is option number A, 5,475 kilometers. According to the report of the Department of Road Construction and Rural Work, there was 5,435 kilometers of national highway in the year 2020. So increase was hardly 40 kilometer in the year 2021. Bihar's share in national highway was 5.4% in 2005, which has decreased up to 4% in 2020. The length of national highways per 100 square kilometer in Bihar increased from 3.8 in 2005 up to 5.7 in 2019. If you add the length of national highways of Maharashtra, UP and Rajasthan, then these three states account for 30% of the total share of the country. The LPM technology being used recently is associated to which of the following? The right answer is option number A, land survey. As the work of Bihar Land Survey is progressing, Directorate of Land Records and perimeter is converting the traditional and manual working method to technology based method. LPM, the full form is land map parcel, is a map of each plot. Like every village has a map, this map is printed on A4 size paper unlike the village map. For how many years? The period of the third agricultural roadmap currently implemented in the state has been extended. The right answer is option number A, 1 year. The third agriculture roadmap was currently applicable from 1st April 2017 to 31st March 2022. Its date has been extended to 31st March 2023. The Agriculture Department has said that normal life has been affected in 2 years due to COVID infection. This has created difficulty in achieving the targets of the agriculture roadmap. In this situation, the decision has been taken to achieve the set goal of agriculture roadmap and to ensure the participation of farmers in the preparation of the new agriculture roadmap. Bihar Electricity Regulatory Commission has decided not to buy power from which unit of the NTPC located in Bihar? The right answer is option number D, NTPC Kahalgaon in Bhagalpur district. The price at which Bihar is buying electricity today is higher than the national average. According to the audit report of the central government, the national average for power purchase is 3.6 rupees per unit, whereas the average purchase of Bihar is 4.12 rupees per unit. Bihar will not take electricity from Kahalgaon and Farakka, West Bengal NTPC powerhouse. So Bihar is preparing to surrender 856 megawatt of electricity. The increase in the prices of power per unit is due to increase in the fixed charges. According to a recently released report by National Sample Survey NSS, what is the percentage of regular wage workers in Bihar? The right answer is option number A, only 9.3%. Bihar has the lowest number of regular wage workers in the country. In the country, 24.7% people are working on regular salary. Haryana has the highest number of regular wage workers in the country with a percentage of 38.9%, followed by Gujarat 37.1%. Even Jharkhand has 18.1% of people working on regular basis. There are three main categories of employment. First, self-employed. Second, regular wage. And third is irregular wage workers. Around 60% of male workers in Bihar are self-employed. What is the rank of Bihar in cognizable crime in India as per the National Crime Records Bureau 2020 report? The right answer is option number D, 25. Bihar is third in terms of population and 12th in terms of area. Please remember this. Despite having the most dense population, Bihar ranks 25th in terms of crime. This shows that the law and order of the state is much better than other states. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, replying on the debate on the motion of thanks to the governor's address in the legislature, he said that the cases of crime against women in Bihar are less than half the national average. The national average in this case is 56.5, while in Bihar it is 26.3%, and the rank is 30th in country, which is a very good sign. Friends, the most important current affairs associated with March month of Bihar current affairs has been discussed in the 30 MCQs. Friends, however, there are many current affairs, additional current affairs, which is not very important but often comes in the exam. For this, we have made this section at a glance, additional current affairs. You will get 40 current affairs in this section. This is not included in the video because this will be too long. This will be made available in the form of PDFs. With this, we are wrapping up this edition of Bihar current affairs. Thank you very much for watching the video. All the best for your exam preparations.